happy 2022, everyone. And we're on the train, just casually going to University of Washington. Well, actually, we're going to U District Station, but, yeah, whatever. This is the long part of the train ride. I don't know why I'm filming it, but, yeah. I hope you guys are happy. We're in car 104A. And we didn't get a Siemens. Sad times, sad times. Alright. So, we're a little shaky, probably from all the snow that's outside. Like, I got gloves on, guys. So yeah. Also, guys, check this out. I got Sound Transit pants. I have a tracksuit underneath this coat, but here, let's see if I can let you guys see. Yeah, look at this, guys. It was $200, guys. Don't waste your money on them. I mean, it's not a waste of money, but like, $200 is a bit, you know, like, I mean, honestly, like, this is a very weird part of the line. Not really a big fan of this part of the train. Kind of like how I'm not a fan of like the whole Rainier Beach Chuck Rolla thing. Oh yeah, you know, don't deal with it. What are you smiling at, Bob? Free trade, the right to COVID vaccine appointments. Oh, yes. Yes. Actually, most people are probably vaccinated, like, who want to get vaccinated by now. Now, where's, like, the metal area? So, where on earth are we? I would check my maps, but I'm filming on an iPhone, so, yeah. One day I will get a professional camera, so I can, like, make this less shaky. Hey, whenever that, hey, that's gonna be a while. Sorry, guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, that was a lot shorter than I remember it being. Oh, no, this is one of the coolest part of that. Okay. Oh, is that glitch? This is a 110-foot deep station, guys. Yeah. You guys remember this? I mean, like, most people who watch this channel have watched Northgate Link by now. Like, I don't know. Actually, like, 4,000 people have viewed my channel, so yeah. Thanks for 4,000 views, guys. And yeah, I know this is like a very entertaining video, but like, it's like my first video of 2022, guys. Yeah. So, all right. So we're just gonna get off at U District Station. I'm just gonna film until my phone runs out of storage. Maybe I'll do a BTV vlog today.
Next stop, U District.
Oh yeah. Now this is the new tunnel. Oh yeah. Alright, you guys. Oh, we're almost there. Okay, let's hope our train doesn't break down like that Siemens did a few weeks ago. If you guys read my website, I wrote about that on the Sounder post. Yeah. Alright, guys. Now you guys all know U District Station. I've done a vlog there. You guys really like that vlog. Like, that vlog is like 30 views. So yeah, thanks for that, guys. 5 minutes and we're already past, already almost the Utica station. That is cool. Alright, buddy. You're very cheerful. Probably some snow, you guys. That's really noisy. Oh, that's really noisy. Alright, alright. I don't know what that squeaking was all about, but there's your district station. Maybe that was like a wire repairing area, because like that was where the wire got cut, I think. Alright, check it out. Oh. U-District, good old U-District. Oh. Love this station. Whoa! An escalator that's working, and these cool new things. Little dot. What? What in the world? Oh, it's the wires. It's the wires. I think that, guys, I think that noise is the wires. Well, it looks like that one's still under construction. This is actually kind of scary because I'm holding a $400 iPhone, and if I drop it, well, the end of it. Ah, selfie station's gone. Sad times, guys. Well, yeah, of course I'll go out the exit that says 43. Okay, go to wall. The one line, not the Link Light Rail, the one line. Quiet. Alright. Yes. Alright. Well, this is the blue path, you guys. Buckley Transit wallet, guys. Huh. Don't sell this on the Mart. Just got this custom. Also, one last thing before I end the vlog. Yeah, this bus stop still hasn't opened yet. It's sad times. Sad times. Oh, 45. Alright, see ya.